Hello, and welcome to the USP Investor Portal walkthrough video. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of creating a USP Investor Portal account and get you ready to buy USP tokens from within your account. To make this walkthrough easier to understand, this video is broken into 6 sections for each of the 6 steps necessary to buy USP tokens. Step 1 is creating an account. Step 2 is completing onboarding. Step 3 is connecting your crypto wallet to your USP Investor Portal account. Step 4 is completing KYC verification. Step 5 is completing accredited investor verification. Non-US users don't need to complete this step. Step 6 will show you how to successfully buy USP tokens once you've completed all of the previous steps. The entire process of creating an account and buying USP tokens should only take about 10 minutes. Let's dive in. The first step to creating a USP Investor Portal account is visiting invest.usp.io. When the page loads, click on the black Sign Up button. Enter all of the details on the screen, including your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and password. Read our terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on Create Account. Once you have created an account, you can proceed to Step 2, which is onboarding. First, click on Finish Onboarding in the top right of the screen, or scroll down on mobile. You will be prompted with a series of questions, including whether you are buying for yourself or an organization, your U.S. citizenship status, your address, your employment status, and other information USP needs in order to verify your account. When you have completed onboarding, you will see this screen. Verify that all of the information on the screen is correct, and then click on Save and continue to move to the next step. Once you have completed the previous step, you will be prompted to connect your crypto wallet. Connecting your crypto wallet address should only take a few seconds. First, click on Connect ETH Wallet to proceed to the wallet connection interface. Then, open MetaMask or whatever wallet you use and copy your wallet address. If you do not have a wallet address, check the video in the description for a tutorial on creating one. Paste your wallet address into the USP Investor Portal field on the screen. Click Connect to connect the USP Investor Portal with your wallet. Once you've connected your wallet to your account, a prompt will appear telling you to begin KYC verification. Click Continue to start the verification process. We use Sum and Substance, or SumSub, which is a third-party KYC verification integration partner. Complete the KYC process from within your USP Investor Portal account using SumSub. Please note that KYC verification is not instant. It may take as much as 5 minutes. Some users in certain countries have reported as much as a 10-minute delay. If your KYC is not approved or if you run into any issues during this step, please email support@usp.io for assistance. If you are inside of the United States, then you will be prompted to complete accredited investor verification. If you are not inside of the United States, then this step does not apply to you. Click on Begin AI verification. We use a third-party integration partner called InvestReady to verify the status of all accredited investors. Applicants will need to pay a $25 fee to InvestReady in order to complete AI verification. Please note that AI verification applications are not instant and may take several minutes. Once you have completed all 4 of the previous steps, you can now freely buy USP tokens. To do this, navigate to the Offerings tab from within your portal. Click on the current offering. Please note that offerings are time-sensitive, and if you do not see an active offering, then you have missed the window and must wait for the next offering before you can buy USP tokens directly from USP. Once you have entered the offering, you should review all of the documents attached to this offering, specifically, the PPM or Private Placement Memorandum, which outlines this offering. When you are ready, click Invest Now, and then check the boxes to verify that you have read our terms of service, privacy policy, PPM, and notice for non-US citizens. On the next window, select whether you would like to buy with crypto or wire transfer. Please note that at this time, we are only accepting payments through crypto, and we accept both USDC and USDT. Choose your stablecoin of preference, and then click Pay Now. Be sure that you are paying from the same wallet that you connected to your USP Investor Portal account back in Step 3. Once you have made your investment, allow for up to 48 hours before the USP tokens appear in your wallet. If you run into any issues during this process, please email support@usp.io for assistance. Thank you for watching this walkthrough. Happy investing!